that the servers must be opened, failure to which there will be no election in Kenya in 2027 without opening the server. We have to audit 2022 before we move into 2027. That is a clear declaration that we are making as a nation. Speaking before you is the Bunge Chief Whip, Steve Orindi. Na leo tuko na mada mbili. Moja, I have two burning matters. One is about the government has failed to pay the civil servants their salaries. Two, the servers should be opened. I will start with the one of the salary. Hii serikali walichukua ushukani mwaka jana, na mpaka leo ni miezi 7 hawawezi lipa wafanyikazi wao. Hiyo humaanisha hii serikali inaenda south. The government is going south because they do not know and do not understand the system very well. I want to urge my friends in the government to humbly hand over the presidency and the administration to the person that should take us through. The second I want to talk about the issue of the server. You remember recently we had Azimio having their 7-member bench team on the talk, and the UDA team having 7-member bench for the talk. But I want to say today the talk is 6 against 8 because the Jubilee, the UDA have sourced 1 member of Azimio team into their panel. Are we aware? Are we together?
Yes.
So it is 6 against 8, 6 for UDA and 8 for Azimio. We don't know what is in the mind of Ruto doing that, but I know what is going to take place. So on the issue of the server, and I want to tell you the whole nation, the Bunge, countrywide, have resolved that the only resolution to that meeting talks must be number 1, opening the server. Number 2, opening the server. Number 3, opening the server. Why do I say that? Because the people that were involved in the electronic system that we were using in election, that company that is involved, inaitwa sister what? Smartmatic must tell us the reason as to why they are not able to open those servers, because we need to audit the election. If we cannot audit their system, then they have failed, and we are not going to tolerate another election with their system. We will source for other electronics, other firms. So be informed that systematic what this issue of Venezuelans, they must be aware that the servers must be opened, failure to which there will be no election in Kenya in 2027 without opening the server. We have to audit 2022 before we move into 2027. That is a clear declaration that we are making as a nation, that all the servers, the 7 of them, there were 8 we know. The fake one, the 8th fake one was given to the court we know, and the 7 actual ones, the real ones, must be opened, failure to which there is no any other election in Kenya, and IEBC must be prepared for this. As a chief whip of this Bunge, I want to say that I want to appreciate our leaders for taking up their responsibility of defending our brothers who were arrested. Here I have the speaker who was really much of help, and other leaders. You remember Gaucho was in. I saw him whistling some tea, but it was really painful. It is very bad for a country arresting those who correct their bad deeds and taking them to court. It is very painful for the government arresting youth for telling them what they should do. I want to appreciate our Right Honorable Raila Odinga, the President of the Republic of Kenya, for standing with us, and we are still strong. Mulikuwa mnanitafuta, nimerudi kwa kiwanja. Mmenitafuta sana, na wengi wetu walihepa. Kusema ukweli, mimi nimetafutwa mpaka nikapigiwa simu niende kamiti. Sitakuja. I will not come. Thank you very much.